Hey everyone! Today, we're going to quickly explore how to create a connection in Engini. Ready? Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Connections page by clicking on Connections on the left sidebar. If it's your first connection, click on Add Connection. Next, choose the software you want to connect to. Type the name or search for it in the box and click it. Each software has specific connection prerequisites as outlined in its documentation. Enter the necessary connection data when prompted. Once the connection is established, you can modify it by clicking the three dots on the right side. This will give you several options. Edit Connection. Use this option to update the connection with relevant data. This is especially useful if the credentials or settings for the connection need to be updated. Refresh Connection. This option is for applying any structural changes to the activities. If there have been updates or changes in the software you're connected to, refreshing ensures your connection stays up to date. Delete Connection. Be cautious with this option. Deleting a connection will affect all associated workflows. Make sure to verify that this action will not disrupt any critical workflows. That's it for today's quick guide on creating connections in Engini. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.